In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Canva to your desktop. Now, once you're logged in here in Canva, you want to come right up to the top to where we have this little desktop icon. If we hover over that, it says download the app. Now, if we click on here, it's going to open in a new tab where it says Canva for Mac. Now, you can download this for Mac, Windows, iOS and Android. Now I have a Mac, so I'm just going to click right here. Once you click on there, it's going to start downloading. Then you want to open the file. So in your download folders, double click on the canva.dmg file to reveal the icon. Then drag and drop the Canva icon over to your applications in the Finder sidebar. Then after that, you can add Canva to your dock by dragging the Canva icon from your applications folder to the dock. Now you're only one click away from designing anything. Now if you're using something other than a Mac, when you click on it, let's say Windows or Android, just follow the steps. So now if we go to Downloads, open the file, drag the Canva into the applications, then go to our applications folder, which is just here. We can now drag Canva and put it in our dock like so. And now if we click on here, we're going to get this little message. We're going to click open and there we go. Now we can log in through the browser. Yes, continue to Canva app, open Canva, and now we have the Canva app downloaded and installed on our desktop. So that's how to download and install Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.